No.
No,
No.
sit.
Hold until it sits.
Hmm?
Hold until it sits. Relax. Now.
हाँ बाद में देखो get ready again
Share.
इधर चलो
अभी फिर से ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो आवाज़ कहाँ से आ रही है।
ऐसा ऑब्जर्व जब करता है करने देना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसको पता चलेगा कि इतनी चीज़ें हैं लेकिन मेरे को उससे कुछ भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़
फर्क
रहा
नहीं
है।
पड़ रहा। This is a good improvement, I would say. So typically he barks on all the gardeners
ओके,
in the society,
लेट्स ट्राई टू,
regardless of what they are doing.
विल गो अ लिटिल क्लोजर।
You can try.
चलो
Oi, no. कुछ नहीं, ट्रेनिंग
No.
करवा रहे हैं
ना
वो देखने के लिए कि भौंकता है
आप
कि
पे
नहीं।
भोगेगा या आपको कुछ करेगा बोल के देख रहे हैं बस। पहले बोलता करता था, अभी नहीं करता है।
लेकिन यही वाला शायद इसमें घुस गया था।
हाँ
पकड़ के नहलवाए थे।
हैं?
पकड़ के नहलवाए थे।
नहीं नहीं,
ये वाला नहीं था, वो थोड़ा मोटा वाला था, डोडो।
डोडो।
हाँ,
मेरा कुत्ता का भी नाम है डोडो।
और आपके पास भी कुत्ते हैं? ना
I believe this is a big improvement because this is the very
Is-
first time he hasn't, इसने भौंका नहीं, कुछ नहीं किया पहली बार।
इंसानों से अभी इसको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा।
हाँ,
Especially all this team of your colony,
हाँ,
are very acquainted to dogs.
right, right.
So they are not that worried about dogs being around.
Hmm.
So that energy level is also helping, and that is also keeping him much calmer. So we have so far been able to successfully get him under control of reactivity towards humans, reactivity towards bikes, reactivity towards cars. Dogs is still under progress. I wouldn't say we have achieved it much. He's good with people coming and touching him, but it's just that the process has to be a little slow. Nobody can just pound on a dog, and they shouldn't. Even if he is the best dog on earth, you shouldn't enter a dog space or violate a dog space unless until he gives you the permission. Always, whenever you're meeting the dog, let the dog allow you to enter his space. Never just go. Just cause you find a dog cute, you are randomly going and touching a dog. That's never good. And he takes it slow, and he's been doing brilliant. There are multiple people who have already seen the difference and appreciated in this society. We are gonna go to the main gate where the major commotion happens. There are a lot of bikes, there are a lot of cars, there are a lot of things happening over there. Let's see. I'm pretty confident nothing is gonna happen though. I'll get him on heel. Shero, chal, aja, heel. Good, good. Because of the energy consumption yesterday. कल जो इसको वॉक करवा रहे हैं या 2-3 दिन से जो अपन इतना लंबा लंबा इसको वॉक करवा रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से एनर्जी कंजम्पशन भी बड़ा होगा।
Right.
एंड इसके जो बैक लेग्स है दे सेम अ लिटिल वीक, and these walks are gonna help him.
Yeah. We have been giving him all kinds of supplements for calcium and omegas and whatnot, oils and everything.
Nice. Omega is for skin and coat, and
Yeah.
his skin and coat is very
and
good.
Yeah, and his calcium and everything is being taken care of. We give him enough dosage as per doctors recommended for bone strength and everything.
बस चलो. No.
गंदा है, गंदा
No.
है, गंदा है.
One thing on walks, if your dog wants to sniff, let him sniff. But then again, based on human criteria, खराब है, dog का पैर खराब हो जाएगा, नाक खराब हो जाएगा, you can stop him. But if it's a general space where he is liking to sniff, let him sniff, because that is gonna help with mental stimulation, and mental stimulation is very important.
Let's look at the bikes.
Now this is an experience. You need to get your dog experienced to new scenarios. A dog who was earlier scared of a bike moving, a car moving, a cycle moving, is comfortably sitting on a main road where there is a lot of noise, there are fast moving vehicles, and he is calm and peacefully sitting over here and observing them. The more socialized you get your dog to various scenarios, the calmer your dog is going to be. I believe it goes with the saying, been there, done that. So the more you expose him, the better it gets. The major job of us behaviorists is guidance in the right direction. एक बार आपको वो guidance और वो confidence मिल जाता है ना, you will take it forward yourself only, depending on the kind of lifestyle you want for your dog.
Yeah.
His earlier reaction for so many sounds would be he would have been pulling you in the wrong directions.
He is comfortable. He is not too, I would say, all over the place. Is, I think, a good success for me. This is the, I think, biggest improvement. He sat in front of another dog. The dog is barking.
Congratulations.
Congrats to you as well. Thank you.
It's okay, Ray. Chup.
Roxy. I think we have had a breakthrough here.
I believe so.
He sat himself in front of another dog barking.
He must be sitting and wondering,
Yeah.
मैं क्यों करता था ये क्यों कर रहा है, इसको भी तो कोई समझाओ.
जाओ.
It's always so peaceful, you know, when the parents are satisfied looking at their dog, getting what they wanted. Exactly right. When you deal with canine behaviors,
Wait.
it's all about right guidance in the right time, in the right direction. Once you get that guidance, once you get that confidence, it's parents' complete satisfaction, and they start practicing it in that direction. The lifestyle you want for your dog can be decided by you. Hurdles are bound to happen because you don't speak dog, right? consult the perfect and the right behaviorist. Don't go for somebody who calls them a like I said earlier also, don't go to a vet asking for a behavior advice. Don't go to a pharmacist asking for a medicine, right? Always contact the right professional. If you want nutritional advice, go to a nutritionist. If you want behavioral advice, go to a behaviorist, right? Like in humans, there are a lot of people who are specialized in canine behavior, nutrition, and well-being. Contact them and you will get the best outcome.
So if you see the abhi tak so many people passed, right? He didn't react.
Yes.
But that one lady who was,
Earlier पे
yeah, she was so scared.
Scared.
He
Like
sensed
मौका
it.
मिला है.
He sensed it and he was like, okay, ये मेरे को अच्छा मुर्गा मिला है. Let me have fun with this.
Again,
Hmm.
जिस चीज़ के लिए आपने सेशंस बुक किए थे,
Yeah.
we have almost achieved
We
that.
have achieved
I
that.
believe that we
Yeah,
have
yeah.
almost achieved that. So it's all about consistent practice now.
Practice, yeah.
जहाँ पे आपको
I
practice
think
करते
the
रहना.
same are behavior में अब क्या है, वो 1 घंटा डेली उसको पता है कि मेरे साथ ये होना है.
Yes.
So ये सेम टाइम पे ही मेरे को रिपीटेबिलिटी करनी पड़ेगी. I feel.
Yes, initially yes. Eventually you have to start changing the time. वरना ऐसा ना हो जाए कि उसको लगेगा कि 1 घंटा मेरे को अच्छा रहना है, पूरा दिन में वैसा रह
रह
सकता हूँ.
सकता हूँ.
तो आपको टाइम चेंज करना
Fluctuate
है.
भी करना होगा.
How good are we working at the balcony thing now?
So balcony में we haven't done the testing yet.
Yes.
Yeah, because mostly when we are at home, we'll let him be. But we make sure जो दरवाजे वाला है वो टेस्ट करते रहते हैं. Balcony का we left it out yet, but I think same practice, same thing, we will do it once in balconies as well. We'll sit with him in the balcony.
Yes.
I think that would make
Be
the
more
difference.
potent.
Yeah.
ठीक है. जब आप लोगों ने हमारे को कांटेक्ट किया था हैप्पी डॉग को ये करने के लिए,
Yeah.
डिड यू एक्सपेक्ट कि 4 सेशन में विल कवर इट?
4 सेशन आई डिडंट थिंक. मेरे को लगा था जब स्टार्टिंग में किया था कि एटलीस्ट वील टेक हाफ अ मंथ, 15-20 days to
जी.
get where we have reached right now. That's and when you told me on the first day, right, ki 10 sessions are more than enough, I was gonna laugh at you, but yeah, that I think that is possible. Seems like it, because for me it was like 10 sessions. Dogs को तो regular training, regular वही feedback दे के, because everywhere you look in the YouTube, right, they're like you have to be patient, it will
Yes.
take 4 months, 5 months of time, but 4 sessions maybe it is possible. That is I think a miracle.
So follow up question, do you think we have fixed your dog, or do you think we have given you the right knowledge to practice with patience for your dog?
I think it's about the knowledge that we have achieved. It's not a fix yet.
Yes.
I would say there's a lot of area and scope of improvement. But from a point of view, do I have enough knowledge to make sure that I can also now train him along the same lines? Yes. In what I have seen, I can replicate it.
So basically dog training is all about consistency with patience and for a long period of time. So when we are training dog commercially at Board and Train, हम लोग 30 दिन का प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, लेकिन जब ऐसे पर्टिकुलर केसेस आते हैं कि हमको एक पर्टिकुलर बिहेवियर को फिक्स करना है या एक पर्टिकुलर बिहेवियर को चैनलाइज करना है, जब हम पेरेंट्स के साथ मिलते हैं, नॉलेज देते हैं एंड वी टीच देम हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस. क्योंकि अगर इसका बिहेवियर परमानेंटली फिक्स होना है और 3 महीने जाना है, 3 महीने के लिए आपको नॉन स्टॉप करेक्शंस करना है.
करना पड़ेगा.
द डिफरेंस इज पहले 10 में से 10 करेक्शंस करने थे, आज आपको 10 में से 2 करेक्शंस करने हैं.
Right.
जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करते जाओगे वो 10 में से 0 हो जाएंगे एंड दैट डे यू विल रियलाइज दैट योर डॉग हैज एक्चुअली अडैप्टेड द न्यू बिहेवियर.
New behavior.
So it's all about guidance in the right direction.
He's tired now.
Yeah, he'll be happy next time he sees me.
Yeah. The biggest, I think the biggest good thing, the best thing that I found today was this him sitting in front of a barking dog. I think that was the biggest breakthrough.
Yes. वो खुद ब खुद बैठ गया
Could
ना?
be, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't tell him to do that. He just relaxed himself, calmed down himself.
3 दिन से अपन वही कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना, वो डॉग आते कि बैठ जाओ, डॉग आते कि बैठ जाओ. सो व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू ट्रेन, आई टेक माय 5 डॉग्स ऑन वॉक टुगेदर. तो इनिशियली बच्चे थे तो सब दूसरे डॉग को देख के एक्साइटेड होते थे, तो मैं क्या आदत डालना शुरू किया, जैसे दूर से उनको डॉग दिखे बैठ जाओ. 1 2 3 दिन मैंने कंटिन्यूसली उनको बिठाया. उसके बाद से आई विल गो ऑफ, देन आई रियलाइज ये लोग बैठे हुए क्यों, बोले तो सामने डॉग है.
Dog.
So basically they are more aware of your surroundings than you sometimes. So they started doing that automatically. Till date they are 3 years old now. सामने डॉग आएगा सब बैठ के देखेंगे सुकून से. It takes a little more time for the walk to get completed, but I'm okay with it.
Okay, that's fine.
चलेगा. उन लोग को एक चीज़ सिखाई गई है, वो फॉलो कर रहे हैं. अब बाद में अगर मैं बोलता हूँ तुम बैठ क्यों रहे हो, चलो बोले तो डॉग भी कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा,
Confused हो
क्या
जाएगा.
है यार ये बोल के. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच.
You.
Thank you so much.